Howdy, Compelled Unbeliever here. Today we're going to talk about how to have more faith and what not to do. It just got real. The most common suggestions that you'll get for getting more faith is pray, trust in God and the Holy Spirit, read the Bible, and fellowship, hanging out with other Christians. These suggestions are repeated over and over and over on YouTube and throughout the internet, and I really don't want to get into that. I want to get into what's much more important, what not to do. On prayer. Don't ask yourself how you know your prayers were really answered. Don't ask yourself if whatever it was wouldn't have actually happened anyway. Don't ask yourself why you've never seen any amputees' limbs regrown. Don't ask yourself why we have to have hospitals if prayers work. Don't ask yourself why there are many people that you know that don't pray and their lives seem to work out perfectly well without prayer. The Spirit. Don't ask yourself how you know the Spirit is within you if you can't perceive it. Don't ask yourself if you're just attributing feelings and emotions to the Spirit that aren't actually there. Don't ask yourself why the Spirit of understanding interprets the Bible differently for everyone. Even in the same passage, it may have different meanings. Don't ask yourself if you are touched by a passage in the Bible, if it really does seem to hit home, that if you had read a different religious book, or maybe even Homer, if it would have affected you the same way, and you're just attributing those feelings to the Bible or God. Most importantly, don't ask yourself why all false religions require faith. Don't ask yourself why your God then requires faith. I am Compelled Unbeliever. I no longer believe there is a God.